Hello, are you in the search for a new curly hair routine? Well, if you are, you clicked on the right video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my everyday curly hair routine, and I'll also be giving you some tips and tricks to make your hair poppin'. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, first things first is you want to wet your hair. The reason is you do not want to work on dry hair like this, because as you can tell, there's already frizz. So you want to avoid that mess and just start off by wetting your hair. Now, you want it fully saturated. You do not want it dry at all because you don't want any frizz. What curly girl likes frizz in her hair? None. So let's wet it. Okay, so now that the hair is dry, this is where the fun part comes. So I like to start my hair with a leave-in. I'll leave all the products that I'm using down below, and I spray that throughout my whole head, making sure that it's saturated, especially at the ends. Okay, and then I brush each product that I use, I brush it through so that it's evenly saturated throughout my hair. Okay, next thing after a leave-in is a heat protectant. And this is just to keep your hair from, getting ruined by a diffuser. Okay, brush it through. All right. Now what I do is I like to go in with this Beach Babe salt spray, and this is just to give my curls an extra oomph so that they are, working the best that they can. All right, so after we do in the sprays, now we're gonna go in with the creams. So the cream I am using is by Redken. Now my hair gets weighed down pretty easily. That's one of my struggles. What's one of your struggles? Is it frizz? Is it getting weighed down? Is it not having enough moisture? What is it? Leave it down in the comments down below and we can work on this together. My hair gets weighed down really easily. So I have to find the right products or put just enough so that they can bounce on their own. Now I'm gonna go in with the Cantu. Now this product I have to be very, very, very careful with because this one can weigh my hair down. So literally all I do is about that much for my whole head. Remember to always focus on the ends first, and then whatever you have left over, work your way to the top. Okay, so a trick to know that you have enough product in your hair is if you were to squeeze your hair, you should hear this noise. That's how you know that your hair is fully saturated. Okay, so now I did my sprays, my creams, and now I'm gonna go in with a mousse. So like I was saying, my hair gets weighed down really easily, so I cannot use a gel because it just doesn't work good. So I have to use something like a mousse. Just this much, again, ends, and then top. Okay, brush it all through. Okay, so now we have all the product in our hair. We brushed it all through, and now we're going to diffuse. So I'm gonna start with low heat and low air, and this is just to prevent frizz. Okay, so now that I diffused my hair, I'm gonna go in with an oil. The oil I am using is the Marula oil. So just use a little and then rub it on your hands like moisturizer so that you can evenly disperse it when you're running your hands through your hair. Now I like to focus mostly on the ends because that is the oldest part of your hair and that is the section that needs the most love. By the way, if you would want me to do a in-depth tutorial on how I diffuse my hair, comment down below saying diffuse, and that video will come out shortly. Okay, so my hair is about 95% dry. I don't dry 100% because I don't want to damage my curls. I want them to be healthy and strong. So I usually will only dry it like 85 to 95%. So this is what we're left with. These are my curls, but they're a mess. I have no definition, so I'm gonna fix that. And if you wanna fix that, stay tuned. Okay, now that I have your attention. So now to add maximum volume to your roots, you're gonna go in with a pick, and now you're just gonna push up on the root. Just give it a 1, 2, little tug. Go from under, because you don't want frizz all throughout your hair. Okay, so now that we picked our hair, you can see that there's so much more volume. So if you don't know, your hair is also part of the same system that is responsible for your skin and nails. So just like how you take care of your skin and you wash your face every day, you wash your nails every day, you get all the dirt out, you have to do the same thing with your hair. You know, you want healthy hair, you gotta take care of it the same way you take care of skincare. Talking about skincare, I actually just made a video. I'll leave it right up here for you guys to go watch. As you can tell, compared to my old video, my hair has changed over the years. I've switched up the game, and this new way has brought me more defined curls, frizz-free, and healthier curls, just by doing these simple steps.